Hello, this is our third video for developing a PHP project. In this video, we will see about login form. We will create a database at admin side. We will also create the number of tables in admin means database side for the login form, as well as we will also show the connectivity between the PHP means front end and the MySQL means back end. So we will start. In the previous session, in video number 1 and 2, we have seen how to install the VM server in video number 1, and in video number 2 we have seen the admin side template integration. So I start the local host, then that is our project. We have set up this project in a previous session, and we have seen this template, how to set up this template at the admin side. And this is my PHP myadmin, where we will create a database and then table for our project. Today our session is totally dedicated to the login form. So we look up the folder localhost VM www admin. So this is the file which we are right now at our desktop, that is the index.php. It is the index.php, and where it is, yes, it is index.php. Our today's session is regarding the login form. So I double click on the login page. In a template it is already available, just check the design of it. Okay, according to the previous session, if you need some changes, login.php, that is the default template which we download from the Google. If you need some modification, then just change the modification. If you have logo, then replace this logo, older logo, with the new logo. But right now I have no any logo, so you may directly write your company name MCA. Okay, so it will appear over there, MCA. And it is required to change some font size and color. Font size, just take 2 or 3, and color is equal to, I think white is more preferable, and complete the font tag, so we will get something better. Same way, change this powered by, and just change the MCA, and also you can change over there, but right now it is not any big issue for this video. So that is the template which we have given for the login form, and that is the username and password. Remember one and enter. Okay, so first check the name of the text box for the username, and it is not given, so write the txt uname or username. Txt username, it is the name of the text box, and for the password, txt password. Just set and replace. No doubt there is no effect, but we have set the name to this text box. Same way, we have also given some name for that object, means txt password and txt username, for calling it in a future reference. Okay, then form action, you may write the form action if you want to submit this page. Means what I mean, suppose I am entering my username admin and password is admin, and if it is correct, and if I press on the enter button, then this page should redirect on the another page, and the name of that page is the index.php. so form action means where you want to redirect your page if the user correct username and password will correct. Means suppose I am writing admin and enter, so it will redirect to this page. Okay, then index.php. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we look something about the PHP right now. So before comparison, here my username is admin and password is the admin. First of all, the password should not be visible to the user, means it should be in a encrypt form like this. Okay, so first of all I need to change one of the property of text box. Click on the text box go in a code and set the input type text from text to password. If you set the password, just it will effect on it admin, and now write the password, it will shows like that, so it is not readable to the user. So change one of this property if your password if this thing cover the password. Now what you need to do, suppose when I press on the action means when I press on a submit button, when I press on a submit button, then what should perform means admin and press enter. Okay, because it redirect on the index.php, because we return index.php over here, right? But this index.php return or show when the correct username and password supply. It may be my password is wrong and the username is wrong, still if I press the enter, then it will pass. So what I need to do, I need to perform the some connectivity and check whether the username and password are valid according to the username and password stored at the admin side. So first of all, I need to create the database. My database name is the MCA because it is my project, and click on the MCA and then create one table, that is the login. Normally login covered the two field, one is the username and second is the password, but we take plus one more column, one for the ID and second that is for the ID. So ID will be always unique and auto increment and primary key. Second is the username and then password, where the password will store. Supply it is the integer, ID is the integer, in the length of the integer you may take 3 for right now, and the user size of the user is 25, password you may take around 25. Then index set as a primary key and make it auto increment. Then just save this thing, save. Okay, so up to this we create one database, and there is a one login table. Just insert one record, so click on insert, supply the value, suppose 1, username is the admin and password is also admin, and go. Okay, it shows something wrong because here edit, no, go into the structure and check where is change, and that is the integer but store as a varchar, and then save. Now insert one record in it, one admin and then go. So you have a table. What happened? Edit varchar, then what happened? Admin go. Okay, browse the thing and we fetch one record, username is admin and password is admin. Fine. So up to this we have a table login, and it has two fields, basically two fields, username and password, and the value stored, admin and admin stored in it. Now for the connectivity purpose, what happen when you press on the submit button, in a form, what happen, it should redirect on the same page for the checking purpose. So I redirect the page in a login.php, so I write the login.php for the checking purpose, login.php, so it will redirect on the same page and start the PHP over here, and we will write the connectivity code. If you do not know the connectivity code, then just go into the Google and write PHP connection MySQL database. So there are the number of things and sources are available. Just open any one and browse the code, copy and make a paste. Just go at the bottom part you can get another resources. Okay, just copy this thing, Control C, Control V, link localhost, change the username, root, set the password as a blank. Then, so up to that we connect with the localhost password, not a password but it is the username and password is the blank. Then what is the next thing is MySQL connect, then MySQL select DB, MySQL select DB, where is it, MySQL select DB, copy it, paste, home, and MySQL select DB, and just write the DB is equal to $DB is equal to, what is the database name? The name of the database is MCA. How you can know that? It is MCA, and the table name is the login. So MCA, and the second field is the link, 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 and this is not important right now, so I removed it. Okay, up to that we create this thing. Now this is the time to make the comparison. Compare the thing. What you compare the thing means, find the record query query is equal to select username password from login where. Okay, before that, first of all let us check whether the things are appear properly or not. Echo PRE, when the page submit, the things are occurring perfectly or not, and save it. What happen when I write the username is admin and password is my admin and submit? Just check it whether you are getting something. Okay, why it is showing this page? Let us check one more time. Admin and the password is my admin. Enter. Okay, just check it. The things are appear perfectly. TXT username admin and password is admin. My admin means. So comment it right now, and Control V, Control C over here, and Control V. Just copy this thing. What you write? Uname, that is the variable name, and $_ post if you want to retrieve that particular field, post, and remove this one. Same way, pwd is equal to $_ post, delete colon, then okay. Now we will write the query, select username password from login where. Okay, now what is the field name? Username and password, where username is equal to, we are writing into the single quotation, uname. This is the uname because it is the varchar type, varchar data type, and another field is the password according to the MySQL database table is equal to pwd, and again it will appear in a single quotation because it is the varchar data type. Okay, so that is the our query. Just copy it and check whether it display or not. Admin, see this, Control C, and check whether the query is properly written or not. If it works over here, then it is fine. Okay, right now it shows some error. Select username, means there is a mistake into the spelling. Username, Control S. Again refresh the page and check. Control C and Control A, Control V. Go. Okay, it shows the record. Select username, password from login, where username is equal to admin and password is equal to admin. It shows the one record. See that. Okay, so our query is perfect. Now what is the next step? Next step is username. Next step, mysql underscore query QU. For executing the query, first parameter is the string query and second is the link. So I write the first query, Control C and Control V. What is the second parameter? It is the link, and here we use the link. So write the link and complete it. Now see in Google how to check MySQL query, MySQL underscore query returns a result. How to check if MySQL query returns nothing or result? Click one or two link from the Google. Just check if Control C, Control V, if MySQL underscore and store this thing into the result, RESULT, MySQL, and it will RESULT result, MySQL number of result double is equal to 0. Then what it means? There is no any record matching with our query. Echo no result found, or it may be possible username and password entered. Then what happen in a else? Okay, now check it. Admin and I am writing a wrong password. Check whether it show a message. Yes, no record found. If the means, we can write like that, echo invalid username and password, and set the font color is equal to white, align is equal to center, and you may increase the font size is equal to +2. Complete the font tag, like complete the font. Make a refresh. Suppose I am entering the wrong username password, so it display the message, error message on line number 14. Okay, every statement in PHP end with the semicolon. Okay, invalid username and password. Just change the color from white to red, and password okay, invalid username and password. Else what should happen? It should redirect on a login dot header, HEADR header, location index.php, and make exit. Suppose my username, again I am writing the wrong detail, then invalid username and password. Suppose I am entering the correct one, then it redirect on a index.php, because here we write the index.php. So that is the connectivity and the admin side login. Again, if you want to set the session, then you may To set the session, you just write one or two line of more code. Suppose this is the login.php. I write the line session underscore start and set this variable value. Suppose the username and password are correct, then session, create a one session variable, uname, or take uname, complete it, is equal to, you can set any value like this uname, control V, just change the name, s underscore uname. S means session underscore uname. So that is our session variable. Control C and open a page, index.php, and first write session underscore start and write if is set dollar underscore session, then it is okay. Otherwise location header location login.php, because we need to redirect on a login.php and exit from there. Means suppose I am a unauthorized user and I want to direct access that one, control X, control W, C, without login, then it will not allow. It shows the error on line number 3. If is set session underscore uname, okay, 1 and 2. Suppose I want to direct access index.php file. What is the error? Else. If is set dollar underscore session, and what is the name of that value? Uname. Okay, things are right. Home and else location.php, it is okay. Login.php, and this is not login.php. Error is on this page. Okay, suppose I want to direct access the index.php file, and this is the login.php. There is a one error over here. Okay, index.php. Then undefined variable txt username in line number 6. In which file? In login.php. txt. Okay, just write one more line over here. If is set dollar underscore post control C, control V, double quotation, if it is set, otherwise not. If it is set, then only just copy if is set 12 txt username, then do this. Okay, suppose I directly use index.php, so I should redirect on a page. See, I write the index.php and it directly redirect to the login page. Suppose I am entering a wrong username password, then again message shows over here. Suppose my username and password is correct, then it will allow to the next page, and that is through the session. So thank you very much. In the next video we will see how to add product or employee using these menus. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, then kindly share and do like. Thank you very much.